Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Wednesday, guys. Not Wednesday. It's Thursday. So remember, tomorrow there is NFP or unemployment change for Canada, but we will check that after we do the analysis. So please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, guys. I will be showing you what happened yesterday. There was a FOMC meeting minutes last night, and if they mess up, they did mess up our trades. But beside that, it's fine. We've been eating very nice for the whole week, especially last week. We have been eating very nice. So only yesterday, it's where we took a loss. We don't actually have to hide from that. So what's really happening here is we are starting with EURUSD. We see the market is being pushing to the upside on an uptrend. But what we see here is there is a structure that seems to be like a breakout. And that is indeed the market just broke out on this diagonal support. But if you check, let me just make this line a bit thicker. If you check on the bottom side here, we also had a sort of a support. Do you see that? So for us, we're not going to jump on the market like that. So for us to say we're going to sell, it means the market has to break this support, then we can push lower. We're not going to count only this diagonal. So with that, if the market is going to respect this area and push up, we're going to call that an adjustment. Maybe you never heard about this, but sometimes the market adjusts the trend. If it's been pushing like aggressively up, as you can see, sometimes the market will go lower and sometimes breaking the support, but just to adjust that trend, then it can continue pushing up slower, unlike before. As we saw, we had a wedge structure. I thought maybe the market was going to break, but the market broke out on the support side, which means now we're just waiting for the breakout. If not, it means the market will be pushing to the upside again. So here, I don't really see any opportunity that might happen like now. It means we can just wait for the market to give us a nice structure that we can follow. Remember, we wait for the market to show us the road or the way, then we follow. We don't go in front of the market and start to do our own thing, right? I hope you get that. It seems like euro is getting stronger there. So against the dollar. So let's push to the next one, which is GBPUSD. GBPUSD. What's really happening? You can easily see here that yes, the market is still actually on that uptrend. The market is actually pushing to the upside. The market has been pushing to the upside, and we had a very nice wedge structure there, and we had a buy pending order where the market actually yesterday did play games. Actually, we did make some profit, but after that, the market started playing games around this area. You can see that the market started playing games, and now the market is pushing up again, you see. But we never touched the stop loss now, but the market is pushing up again, which means the market is continuing with that uptrend. GBP is actually stronger against the dollar. You can see it's now getting stronger and stronger, pushing to the upside. I hope you see that. If you go on a smaller time frame, you will easily see that yes, the market indeed it's aggressively pushing to the upside. You can see that. So that's why we had a buy pending order. Today we did not actually send this, but maybe if someone is still holding, maybe now they are going back on that profit, as we did not actually touch that stop loss. So yeah, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So let's push to the next one, which is EURUJPY. I'm expecting the market to reverse here. I'm expecting the market to seriously push lower. You can see that yes, the market has been flying for quite some time, and I've been waiting for this breakout. You can see that the market has been pushing up. Even if maybe we go back, you will see that yes, the market has been actually on this uptrend. But with that, obviously, we have to expect a nice reversal. But what I know with the market, guys, the market is very clever, obviously. So the market might consolidate aggressively around this area so that you can get out, then the market keeps pushing lower. So on this one, I think if there is no any Europe or JPY economic news, I think it will be a very good idea to hold the trades. I think it will still push to the lowest side. That's what I'm thinking, because it shows that the market has been pushing up and now we broke out of that support area. So which means there is a room for that sell. There is a room for a sell. Now, actually, we had a pending order. The market already touched that pending order. So actually, this might even go lower and lower, but here it's much better. I'm expecting a very nice bearish momentum. If maybe I go on 1 hour, maybe you will see that the market has been trying to push lower. So I'm expecting a very nice sell. I'm expecting a very nice sell. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So what's really happening here is the market is still actually actually touched our pending order. It seems to be trying to push back, but I'm still expecting the market to actually give us a very nice sell. What I know is after the breakout, the market might play games before we see a proper sell, you see. So but what I'm expecting is I'm still expecting a very nice bearish momentum, because the market just broke out of the support and we can see several candlesticks playing around that around this area. So I'm expecting a very nice sell, very strong sell. So let's push to the next one. Okay, now we are on a gold. What's really happening on gold? Yesterday, actually, gold did actually push to the lower side. But if I can show you the bigger picture here, you can see that the market is actually, let me just show you on a 1 week or daily, it's fine. Just for you to see what's really happening. Yeah, I think 1 week is too much. Let me just show you on a daily time frame. Yeah, I think maybe here you can easily see that yes, the market, the market is actually doing what? The market is actually respecting this area of a support, guys. And we can see it from this point here and also here. Even though the market is playing around this area, but we know very well that we have a support. There is a chance for the market to do what? To keep pushing up. So obviously the market will play like that, especially for us who just retail traders. Sometimes we might panic when we see this aggressive push. But at the end of the day, the market will end up pushing to the way we think maybe the market is going to end up pushing to the direction that we thought is going to go. So when I check here is the market gave us a very nice structure. You can see the market consolidated. We did have a very nice buy. Then the market started to reverse. I think maybe there was some news, I don't know. But we see that the market is doing what? It's coming back again. So what happened here? The thing is, we have a very stronger support. So the market might play around, but at the end of the day, since we are actually on an uptrend, we're still expecting the market to shoot to the upside. But with this structure, I will just try maybe to get some sort of a trend line. Let's try, maybe we'll get something, because our trend line was like this before. Yeah, it was like this before. Now the market is coming back. We just have to wait and see if maybe the market was just adjusting the trend. But I already sent actually a buy pending order. The reason behind that is I believe the market is still going to push up as we are actually on an uptrend. So I'm still expecting the market to shoot the upside. Where I won't play around is this area. We have a resistance. Then I will just wait then for the market to break out. If it breaks out from there, it's where I will say, you know what, maybe now it's another time for us to do what? To look for another bullish momentum above this resistance. If not, maybe the market will be trying to push to respect this area and maybe push lower. But for now, I'm still expecting the market to push to the upside. Remember, we still need people, guys, to join the team on that special. Remember, I said I will be taking 20 people. Now I think we left with around 14 people, which means only 6 people joined. So that special is actually $39. $39. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So what's really happening here is, yes, we can easily see that on US30, yesterday, things are, I think, quite similar to what we saw yesterday. The market seems to be respecting this resistance. And plus those FOMC minutes, they were actually not really good. So that's why we did not see the market pushing to the upside. And on US30 it's fine because the market was even far from this breaking out. But on NASDAQ, it was a different story. But besides that, we can easily see that, yes, the market has a very nice support, and we also have this resistance. So now our job is just to wait for a breakout, maybe on top, or maybe a breakout on the bottom. It seems like the market is going towards that support, but we will see later on when the market opens if maybe the market will try to break this support. But the market has been just playing games for quite some time there. It seems like the market is still doesn't really want to push lower, but what can we do? We just have to wait. So on NASDAQ yesterday, we were live actually. Here you can still see that, yes, we have a very nice structure. Let me go on for hours time frame so that we can see some very thick candlesticks. What's really happening? We can easily see that, yes, our structure still makes sense. We still have a very nice bullish momentum, and we have a support area that the market is respecting. On top of there, we also have this resistance where the market is actually respecting. But if we go closer, you will see that actually the market did break out. And we actually, unfortunately, I think, but it's not like maybe it was like very, very close. It was beat above this resistance. Unfortunately, the market just touched our order, then went against us. We're not going to cry about that, obviously, but there was enough chance for the market to keep pushing to the upside. But it seems like that momentum was not there to push the market to push up, you see. So we took a loss. Maybe let's say a first loss maybe in more than 7 days. So now we have a structure. The structure is actually telling us that, you know what, guys, we have a wedge structure. I'm expecting the market to break this support, whether then after that we can look for a sell, or we're still on the same level where we can say, yes, we're still waiting for the market to break that resistance. Then we can start to say, okay, let's take another buy. Yes, sometimes we fall for this fake breakout, sometimes we fall for that, and sometimes even if you plan the way you want to plan, sometimes you can't. Sometimes even if you miss some, one day the market will still get you there, you see. So but anyways, what I see here is I'm waiting for a breakout. So don't forget that, guys, we have a special $39 as I did repeat. So let's check our economic news before we call it a day. So remember, later on we're going to go on our live session. Today it's actually Thursday. So what's really happening here is, let me change the color. You can see that we have some mostly we have economic news for USD. I see non-farm employment change, which is not really that crazy. The market will move, but not that crazy. Something that will make the market to move crazy is unemployment claims. Maybe on other calendars, it's jobless claims. And we also have PMI around 4. So around 2:30 and 4, the market will be doing its thing. Maybe this will make the market to break those supports or resistance. I'm talking about NASDAQ or US30. Also the dollar. So this is what we have today. So Friday, which is tomorrow, we have unemployment change for Canada and also an NFP for US. So it's going to be interesting. We're going to go on live. So don't forget to smash that notification button, guys. Smash the notification button so that you don't miss those economic news. So I have something, guys. I only need I'm left with only 3 people, guys. If you want me to trade for you, you don't give me you just give me your login details, your MT4 or MT5 login details for 90 days. Then I will be trying to trade for you. We don't split or share the profits, as you're going to pay upfront fee of $250. Then whatever you make or we make on the profits is going to be yours. So you can just WhatsApp me or Telegram me if you want to me to trade for you. You see, so simple as that. So only 3 people, that is going to be enough for me. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. We will see you later on. Bye.